cause like I'm gonna play Among Us. Well, if I actually get imposter first try, that's crazy. But anyways, welcome back to the I don't know, leave me alone. Gosh. Always oh, that was nice. And I only like the scout map, the little rocket ship. Because that was the first one. And then they came out with like other maps that nobody cares about. Bro, I was green first. I hate this server. I hate it. Oh my god, why does everyone have limited cosmetics on? If I get imposter first try, then I'm actually... I hate you. 3 imposters? Why is everybody always doing 3 imposters? But anyways, why am I always detective? But the thing I don't like about Among Us is every time there's a big server, it's like people literally join the server just to leave again. Like, people are always joining the server and then they just leave. For no reason. And also, I don't like when the player speed is too fast. Like, I guess this is good, but I don't like when it's too fast. In my aim. How do I make them a suspect? I'm just gonna vote her just cause. What do you think we're doing, Dingbat? This is why I don't like being detective. How do I interrogate the crew? Oh, well, we just neglected Amy. Or Amy, or whatever. Oh my. Well, that's just too bad. I'm gonna interrogate someone. Oh my god. GameStem is imposter. Why is he imposter? I think he's telling the truth because I might have saw him in the little room where I did the shooting task. gonna vote green like a good boy. Oh, well, I guess we're all voting him. He might have been engineering. That's actually sad. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna interrogate green. He literally, bro. No, you're not. I know I'm not talking that much because like I'm not used to recording. I hate all of this. Just hurry up, bro. Who has not voted yet? Black, what are you doing? You literally called a meeting. Oh, only 4 people voted. Why did they vote me? You little pricks. I should leave the game. That was actually embarrassing. He was the engineer. Well, he shouldn't have been acting special. I'm gonna look at the cameras. Nothing to see here, except for the fact that yellow is low-key suspicious. No, it's not me. She's literally suspicious. But they're probably all gonna vote me because I'm pretty sure I was wrong like 2 times. There was a... if these are all bots. Boost. I love how only 1 person voted me. What happened to the 3rd one? Did we I want to interrogate Black. Just gonna lie. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna lie. Yes. 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 No, don't put no question marks. Or else. Yes, thank you for saying yes. Using capital. Who did I say black? Only 2 people voted me. What losers. Imagine he's actually the imposter.